Coil nailers. What are they and what are they used for? So you might be thinking to yourself, Josh then, hey, if it's a coil nailer, do the nails come on a coil? And yes, my friend, they certainly do. So as you can see here, we have the coil. This is what the nails look like. What we do is they get, I'll show you. So to load it, the nails come like this. They're sort of like attached to each other. What we do is we take a section off, we roll it in there, put it in. There's a couple little nubs in here that we attach it to. Close the door, bring it back. There we go, super simple. So when and why would we buy a coil nailer? So the things that we're going to use a coil nailer for are, me personally, I mainly use it for fencing and siding applications. An application where I want to have an actual head on the nail, so better than a brad nail, more secure than a brad nail, but I don't want as high a fixing capability as like a framing nail. The reason I love the coil nailer so much is because it gives you that stronger finish because it's got a full head nail on it. In comparison to the framing nailer doesn't have any depth stop on it, and I pretty much guarantee it's going to wreck the wood, right? You're not going to use it on something that you want to have a look at and see, whereas these for siding, perfect. These work great when you're doing a whole bunch of like picket fencing or feather edge. I don't know if you guys in the States have feather edge, but we get a feather edge board. I'll pop one up. These are perfect because what these do, they're big enough to hold the board in there, but not too big that they're going to create a split. I've seen guys use these for fitting floorboards, for decking. I would probably use some different type of fixings, but you know, if it's just like you've got 1,000 meters of it and you can bump fire this thing, boom, and it's done, man. It just, time is money, right? Time is money, and this thing will save you a whole bunch of time. Especially imagining when you're working on something like a fencing, right? So you've got 200 pieces of timber to fix, right? This thing here is going to save you so much time because you're going to take a nail out the bag, you're going to hold it, you're going to knock it in, hit it 3 or 4 times, it's going to be in, and you can do that 3 times on the board. This, you go pop, 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 next one, hold it, pop, 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 next one, pop, 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 and you've probably done 4 or 5 boards by the time the other guy's done one. And the reason I say saving time is money is because this is by far the most expensive nailer that I own. This one, it's a Bostitch coil nailer. I'll let you go Google it and find out. This was way more money than the other 3 here. I tell you what, I'll put it this way. This one plus this one plus this one does not equal the price of this one, right? That's how expensive they are. And so this is more of a specialty nailer, okay? This is one that you're gonna use for a specific purpose. You have lots of fencing, lots of decking, lots of boarding. That's where you're going to go out and buy one of these. They do tend to be the sort of nailer that are either bought and kept by specific tradesmen who know that they're going to get the use from them, or you can find them on places like eBay, Craigslist, Gumtree, where people will buy one, do the job, and then they'll put it up for sale, and you might save like 50 to £75 on the unit. As with every single nailer that you're going to use, iPro is paramount. I haven't necessarily had any issues with these bending or curving, but you don't want to risk it, right? You know, if you get a nail go popping into your hand or into your shoulder or your arm or something like that, you're gonna heal, okay? If you get one of these going into your eye, you're stuffed. So always, always, always wear iPro. This nailer also has the lowest range in terms of the fixing size that it will use. So it will use 2 to 2.5 mil thick nails with a 6 mil head and 32 to 64 mil. Whereas this one will take 15 to 50, this will take up to 64, and then this one will take 50 up to 100. So again, like I said, very specialised. You can see how specialised it is because of the state of my other ones. They're all been beat up. This one still looks pretty brand new and gorgeous. So I hope that's covered all the basics for you. If you think I've missed anything or should have included anything, please let me know below. If you're still here at the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. If you could hit the old like and subscribe button, that would be awesome. Have a great day, and I shall catch you on the next one, all right?